Good morning everyone. Now let's just continue with exercise 3.3. Let's start with exercise 3.3 where you need to solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. So what are we doing? We are applying the substitution method to solve the equation. Substitution method. We have already discussed substitution method, but still I just want you to pay attention here. So just look here. First we'll check. Here x is x. So coefficients 1 and 1, 1 minus 1, so it means a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. It means unique solution will exist. Okay, so we can always find out unique solution. So just look here, substitution method. Now how we are going to do it? क्या करते थे हम substitution method में? We'll be using या तो first equation or second equation. We'll be using either first equation or second equation. So suppose I want to use this time second equation using 2 और इसमें हम x की वैल्यू निकालना चाहें तो x की निकाल सकते हैं, y की भी निकाल सकते हैं, बट आई एम यूजिंग x. So x क्या हो जाएगा? x की वैल्यू इट इज गोइंग टू बी 4 प्लस y. अब I have used equation 2 to find out the value of x. Now I will be putting this value in equation 1. ये वाली जो वैल्यू है वो हम क्या करेंगे, कहाँ पे पुट करेंगे? इक्वेशन 1 में. So how would we do that? Using x is equals to 4 plus y in equation 1. Which equation 1? I have taken the value from equation 2. I will be using in equation 1. So just look here. x की जगह क्या पुट कर देंगे बच्चे? 4 plus y plus sin y equals to 14. Now 4 plus y will be 2y equals to 14. 2y is equals to 14 minus 4. So 2y is equals to 14 minus 4 will be what? It is 10. So 2y is equals to 10. So y will be what? 2 is in multiplication here. It will go for division. So this is going to be 5. So solution will be, just now just look here. We have just calculated the value of y 5. Now I just need to find the value of x also. How would we do that? Y is what? 5. Either you can put value of y in 5 in this equation or use this to get the value of x. आप चाहो तो इस y को 5 यहाँ पे पुट कर दोगे तब भी x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. y की वैल्यू 5 यहाँ पुट करोगे then also you will get the value of x. चाहो तो इसमें पुट कर दो. But I am using this. X is equals to 4 plus y. So x is equals to 4 plus y. X I just need to find 4 plus sin y की वैल्यू क्या है? 5. It is given. So x is equals to 9. So solution will be what? Solution is x is equals to 9 and y is equals to what? Y is what? 5. Alright. Is it very much clear to you? Alright. So moving on to next question. Alright. So question number 2. S minus t equals to 3. S upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equals to what? 6. S minus t equals to 3. S upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equals to 6. Before proceeding to find out the value of one of the variable, we will simplify our equation 2. देखो, we will simplify it. Why? Fractions are there. We can easily simplify this. So how would we simplify this? We will take the LCM 3 and 2. So LCM will be 6. By what number should I multiply 3 to get 6? By 2. So both the numerator and denominator will be multiplied with 2. So 2 into s will be what? 2s. By what number should I multiply 2 to get 6? 3. So both the numerator and denominator will be multiplied with 3. So 3 into t, 3t. I hope everybody is clear. These are fractions. I am just doing taking the LCM and just simplifying it. Now 2s plus 3t equals to 6. Multiply, it is in division here, so it will go for multiplication. So 6 into 6 it will become 36. Look here, this was 6. This 6 is in division, it will go here and it will go for multiplication. So you will get what? You will get 2s plus 3t equals to 36. So now we have two equations, first and second. Alright, so how would you do that? S minus t is equals to 3 is first equation, substitution method, you remember? Yes, so what will you do? You will take the value of one of the variable from equation 1 or 2 you want, but I am taking 1. So s minus t using equation 1. S Can you find the value of s? Yes, it is in right hand side. We have 3 minus t will become plus t. So s is equals to what? 3 plus t. What is s? S is 3 plus t. We will use this value in equation number 2. हम equation 2 में क्यों ले रहे हैं? Reason being हमने equation 1 से value find out की है. So we'll be using this in to find. We will be using the value of the variable in equation 2. So just look here. Our equation 2 is what? Our equation is 2 multiplied with s. So what is the value of s? It's 3 plus t. So you will not write it like that. It means you are just multiplying 2 with 3. No, we will multiply the value of s, which is 3 plus t, with 2, because it was 2 into s. 2 into s. S is what? 3 plus t. Plus 3t equals to 36. Now, opening the bracket, 2 into 3, 6. 2 into t, 2t. Plus 3t equals to what? 36. Now 6 plus 5t equals to 36. Alright, now just rubbing. Okay, so now we'll transpose the like terms. Here we have 5t equals to what? 36. Now plus 6 will become minus 6 here. So 36 minus 6 will be 30. Now we just need to find the value of our variable t. 5 is in multiplication here, so it will go for division, which is 30 upon 5, which is actually what? 6. So now just look here, we have just calculated the value of t. Now what we have to do, we just need to find the value of s also. What is s? S is what? 3 plus t. If you wish to use this equation, you can use that. You can use this equation also to find the value of s. So suppose I am using equation 1. Using equation 1. Just look here. Here s I just need to find. T. Do you know the value of t? Yes, 6 is equals to what? 3. So s is equals to 3 plus 6, which is equals to 9. Alright. So that's it for today. You just need to practice substitution method. Then we'll discuss more elimination method and cross multiplication method. Thank you.